We're going on an adventure.
Down to Electric Avenue.
I'm like a master.
Going on a field trip. Going on a field trip. Going on.
Sometimes the circumstances. It's like a tree in the middle. Passing over the board of good and evil. So which on the other side?
A meteor hit the ground right there.
The hawk is...
The hawk. Your way.
Let's take
It's me, Gavyn Jacobson, and we found a dark haven.
And I'm John. It's like...
Amazing.
Now, you're about to see us run out into the middle of the lake and drown.
There you go.
Is it warm out there?
You're gonna die. Hey, explain what we're trying to do here.
We're gonna kill a deer. Look at all the tracks, deer tracks. There, if we find him, we're all gonna circle him, and then we're gonna all close into him, and we're gonna break his neck.
Clear as day.
Oh no, he died!
Gavyn, no!
Come back!
I'm not the only one.
The deer.
We'll hide in the tree.
There's a bear in there!
It's second.
It's amazing. We found a raging river. Oh my god.
No! You almost drowned!
Oh my god. Again, you go, John. Oh crap.
Come on, Mac!
Yes. You're amazing.
Good!
Touchdown. Ah, it's snowing.
Water!
Look, there's a stream going under a thin layer of ice.
What have you done?
And dirt!
Well,
Look at this dirt here! You kicked me!
Nature and its beauty.
It's April!
It's a snowball dam.
It's the 4th of April and it's snowing out here.
It's the 4th of April.
Or is it? Wait, no. Tomorrow's.
Ah.
No, you let all the water through the dam.
That was pouring through.
It's going to the...
Finish now, become a wizard. Whoa. That was intense. He summoned the snow.
John is summoning the dead.
Mother God.
I'm making dinner.
So we decided to deviate, and we found a terrible pit hole of death that Mac fell down. Mac, turn around. His new white sweater, all mud and broke.
His mom is
Show us your mortal wound, Mac.
His mother is going to lynch him.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Don't get blood in your sweater.
That's permanent.
He's catching all the snow. It's like Christmas.
We're back on the train tracks.
The back to freedom.
The back to freedom.
Come on. It's April and it's snowing like this. What's wrong with you?
Go.
John broke my staff.
So this monster. Get going.
Welcome to North Dakota.
Wow. Amazing.
Homeless people.
I'm Saruman.
And this is Gandalf. Amazing. We found this young. There is Watson to no children.
I forgot Burnsville wasn't on spring break. And it's like 3 o'clock.
They're probably all out front.
Come out of school, children.
I'm making a snowman on my shirt.
Amazing.
No, don't ruin it! You're giving it too much heat!
I heard it.
Look at Mac's hair, it's a snowman hair.
We've decided that our
Dandruff!
viewers would want us to push on, so we're not going back. Kill it! Kill it! Oh God! Try it! Victory! We found a bridge. Quick, someone jump in the water and die. Oh no! Yeah, boy!
Bye, Mom.
Throw sticks at him.
I'm building a river!
You're building. Okay, we found civilization.
Where are we?
It's so beautiful. I hate civilization. Let's go back.
This is stupid.
Let's go
We're on
back.
167th Street West.
Yeah.
We wheeled it.
We decided to keep going, but still, through civilization. Okay, go.
Alaska's over there. Canada's over that way. We're on the boundary.
Wow. We've decided to return home because we've been out here for hours. I wish they had an app that showed a picture like a bonfire and it warmed your hands. It'd be amazing. What a weenie. Warm your hands off. Look at that beautiful hunk of man.
It's ready.
John is now the most powerful wizard.
I have 2 shafts now. I dropped my other one.
Oh, great. So, we were gonna go to the school playground and muck around, but we can't, because right now it'd probably be illegal. I think. Yeah. Mac is complaining about his mortal wound. I'm balancing on the rail side. Oh, shoot. That was. Wait a second. Oh, yeah, look at this. It's a bit nippy out.
Shut your mouth. Thank you.
Put your wine.
Shut your wine. You didn't.
Werewolves. That's all I can say about it. John is gonna throw a spear. Shaft. One of the stabs.
Yeah. Oh no, I wanted to stay in the tree.
Loser. Alright, we're gonna use very little of that.
Look, it's an invasive Paul Harris.
Oh my god! This wizard spooky. Because there's a witch there. See a house? Witch house. It's on the right on the other side of the board of good and evil. Sit on it really quick. Alright. We're going back over the board of good and evil.
I'm on both sides now.
That was so shaky.
More snow coming in.
We're in a blizzard.
It's like
Fantastic!
I don't know why it's snowing. It's the middle of April. It's cold out here.
Okay, go. Parkour!
We're on our way back. So, evil spirit! Look at them. Look at that kid. His mud on his jacket looks like a ghost. Look at that. The mud on his jacket looks like a ghost with a funky eye. Look at that. It's like an eye there and an eye there. It's like a stupid mouth.
The barb!
I see my car.
We're back!
My car. It's over there. We're just in time to get back. There's wolves on their way.
Well, we made it. We're back at my house. Thank you for joining us on our railroad rumble adventure. Yeah. So guys, what did we learn today?
Going on adventures is fun. We should do it every day.
Mac, what did you learn about going down steep slides of mud?
Head first every time.
I learned that Mac's a weenie.
All on the sun. Oh no, we're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue. And then we'll take it higher. Oh, we're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue. And then we'll take it higher.
That's it. It's done. Over and fin. Rate, comment, subscribe.
Seriously, end the video now.
No.